In this lesson, we want to explain the magnify tool. This tool is used to zoom in a desired part of the photo. To do this, first select the desired color and form from here. Style, include simple magnify or handle modes. Their handle, for example. For example, in this case, select these two red circles, and by clicking and dragging on your desired location, you can make the magnify. There are two parts. One is desired location here, main location, and one is magnify part here. You can move this part by holding this plus in the middle and move it wherever you want. And by moving these 4 points in the corner, you can change the desired location or change the size. In the setting, you can change magnification here, magnify, as you can see, and line widths. Choose color in outline, and you can change the shape here. Okay. Finally, wherever you produce your tool that you want, you can hit this plus sign to add this new tool at your list to use it later. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.